Hey, good evening everyone. I'm back to make some dinner. This is Anna Maria Millet, and I have a lot of nice, really quick and easy recipes. Most of them Italian recipes on my YouTube channel, Anna Maria Millet. If you like tonight's recipe, and if you want to check out some of my others, please subscribe to my channel. Just hit that subscribe button. It's really cool, really fast. And you'll get updates on the videos that I post, and I post about a video a week now at this point. So enjoy. Tonight I'm making a really nice and simple chicken piccata. I'm going to start by taking my chicken, which is already thin sliced. I bought the thin sliced cutlets, and I'm going to coat them with this flour mixture. I put a little salt and butter on it. Not salt and butter, a little salt and pepper just to season it a bit. And now in my pan, I'm going to heat up about 2 tablespoons of butter and about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And once it's melted and hot, I'm going to put 2 or 3 cutlets into the pan and cook them a couple of minutes on each side. So as you can see, my butter is melted, my oil is hot, so I'm going to put it first, and have my chicken all floured, just in that simple flour mixture. I'm going to put this in the oil and butter mixture. Okay, I don't want to crowd the... So here we go, I've got 3 of those cutlets in there. They're cooking up nicely. I got my other ones floured. I'm going to put the flame a little lower, too high. Put them cook nice and evenly. I'm going to flip them over a couple minutes on each side. Not even, these are real thin. You're going to be good to go. See? It's already cooked up on one side. Cooking them up on the other side. Only took about a minute. Let's keep them on another minute or 2. And then turn them over to make sure I get the right amount. I don't want the chicken to be overcooked. And I also don't want it to be undercooked. These cook up real fast. This is a really easy quick meal. Chicken piccata only takes a few minutes or so, about 20 minutes, low prep, really fancy, really tasty. You can pair this with some linguine with the sauce from the piccata, from the chicken, or you can add some linguine with tomato sauce, or some linguine with garlic and oil, or you can pair this up with some spinach sauteed with garlic, or any other kind of veggie that you might enjoy, or you can just have a green salad with it, a nice mixed green Italian salad. Really just a great dish. You could pair it with almost anything that you like. So I added a little more. I took the other 3 out. They were good to go. Cook through. I added a little bit more butter and a little more oil, and I added 3 more cutlets, and then I'll let these cook a couple of minutes on each side. And then I'm going to finish. I have 1 left to do, and then I'll show you the next step after that. Have we done under the sun? Okay guys, so I got all my chicken has been browned in the olive oil and butter cooking sauce I had, and now I'm going to make the rest of my sauce. Now guys, I'm going to give you the measurements, but I tend to eyeball this. so don't worry about it. Put a little more, a little less, it's not going to kill anything. Also, in place of the dry wine, I'm just using this cooking wine, but a dry, nice white wine. If you don't want to use white wine, you can also use chicken stock. I'm going to use this. So I'm going to put in half a cup of the white cooking wine, 2 or 3 tablespoons of the lemon juice. You can also use fresh lemon, a 1/4 cup of the capers, and the rest of my butter here. Okay, and I'm going to get all that stuff down on the bottom of the pan, and once it reduces by half, once it reduces by half, then that's it. Put in the rest of my butter. And a little bit of these capers. So I eyeball this. Really don't make a big deal out of it. Want a little more, want a little less. I'm going to add a little more salt. I'm going to add a little more wine. And I'm going to get all this stuff, all the good stuff at the bottom of the pan. And once this sauce reduces, it'll just be really nice with the chicken. That's it. Whoa, smells incredible in here. Really nice. Then I'll put the chicken back in for a hot minute, and then I'll serve it up. Delicious. Just super easy, 20 minutes worth of cooking, super easy, really great. Try this recipe, I guarantee it. You will love it. Okay, here is my chicken. The sauce has reduced. I put it in. I'm just going to put it in for a second, 30 seconds, a minute, so it gets hot. And then I'm going to transfer everything over to my plate. You can top it with a little parsley. I'm not going to, because honestly, I don't care for it that much. But it's good to go. Delicious. Under the sun. Yes. Okay, so here it goes. That's the finished product. I plated it with a nice brown piccata sauce and my capers. Like I said, you could top it with a little cheese if you want. You can top it with a little parsley. But here it is, delicious. And you can, again, put a little linguine on the side with this, with plain butter and some garlic, or with the sauce from the piccata. You can really put any kind of side dish that you want with this, vegetables, spinach, etc. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video and you want more easy, quick Italian recipes or Italian-American recipes that you can do on a weeknight, or you can do when company comes over, easy prep, easy cooking time, subscribe to my channel, Anna Maria. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you.